So we need to, first of all, we set the needle height, the needle bar height. This is the needle bar, this one. This one is the needle bar height. So sometimes there are marks on this needle bar that some mechanics use maybe to set the needle bar height for the machine. But today I'm going to cover more than that. Just you can find maybe some needle bars they don't have the marks. So today I'm going to show you how you can still set the needle bar height without using the marks on the needle bar. Because on this needle bar we have four marks. Let me show you the marks. So you open we open the needle, this screw here for us to adjust the needle bar. So open, you can see these marks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these marks here. So normally some mechanics they normally put on the second mark, or second mark, half, second, third, but mostly standard one is on the second mark. You can see the mark. Yeah, this second mark. But I'm going to show you a way on which you can use that without checking on the marks on this needle bar. So mostly you put on the second mark, then you tie the screw. So let me show you on how to put on the second mark. So I'll put on the second mark, exact on the second mark, then I tie this screw here, tie it. So that is how we set that needle bar height. Then now we need to move on doing our timing now, the timing. And this is the hook. This is our hook, this one. So this is our hook. This is our hook, this one. And when you are rotating the machine, the rotation of the pulley should be going like this for the single needle machine, going anti-clockwise. So this is the direction. Needle bar is going down, then coming up. So by that time it's coming up, that's the time you are going to do our timing. The timing of this hook and the needle. Hook and the needle. So the needle is going down, you can see. Then as it's coming up, that's when you are doing our timing. So when you are doing your timing, you take the needle. You see, you can see this needle, this groove. So our needle is here. You can check our needle where the hook is going to pass the needle. So you can see here you have a groove. This one. So the hook should pass exactly here. After the needle eye, you can see the needle eye, that hook should exactly pass here. While the needle bar is going up, the hook should pass here. So we need to make sure the hook is passing exactly after the needle eye point. So as you can see, it's not passing there, so we have to adjust this hook. So hook, we can either take it back or forward. So we need to make sure it is passing exactly at the eye point, so we take the hook back. So while it's coming, while the needle is going up, so as you can see, it's now passing at exactly that point. The needle bar is going up, the hook is coming, it meets at that point. So second thing, you have to check the clearance. You can see clearance is so big, so you have to reduce that clearance to 0.0. 0.0 clearance between the needle and the hook. So I have to adjust that hook. So we need to adjust that clearance. The clearance, I have to bring it like this. We will bring it this side, that side, this side or that side. So we need to bring it this side so that it becomes 0.0 something. 0.0. It doesn't touch the needle, just 0.0 something. So you can see this one is touching. So you have to move it. So there, that one is 0.0 something. You see, 0.0 something is not touching the needle. Not touching the needle. So that is now the perfect timing for that single needle. See, it's not touching the needle. So you have to tie this screw. After that you tie this screw well. Tie this one. This one also. So as I said, you can still do the timing for the needle bar height without adjusting, without checking the marks here. I can do it without checking the mark by just doing the so we need to do our timing without checking the marks on the needle bar height for us to come up with the right needle bar height, but we don't check the needle bar marks. You see, this is the finger. This is the finger to hold the shuttle. This one. So as you can see, this shuttle, it has this part here. This part with the two marks here, down here. So as the needle is coming down, this is the needle now. This is the needle. You make sure the eye of the needle is separated between this part of the shuttle separates the needle eye twice. As the needle is coming, that balance point, you make sure the eye of the needle is separated half. One part is up, one up part is down. So without using the marks on the needle bar height, I can just put it correctly by using this down part here. So as long as the needle eye is separated twice, no need to check the needle bar marks. It will automatically, the timing will automatically, the needle bar height will be correct after I just check here. Then you make sure the needle is coming down at the center of these marks. You can see these marks inside, this mark and this mark. You make sure the needle is going center of those two marks. So that way you have already done your timing. Now we need to return our feed dog back. So you tie the screws well. Then we return the plate. Return the plate. This is the plate. Tie it well. Now we need to test our machine because we have already done the timing. It is now stitching. It means our machine is okay now. So you can see the stitches are okay, which means that timing was perfect.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. See you next time. Comment in the comment section which machine you want us to repair the next time in the next video. Bye.